Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize your character after the beginning of the game in Starfield. And to do this you'll need to find the enhance. It's the place where you can customize your character, and I found it on Paradise, so right here, and it's on the system, for me at least, Porima, and it goes like this, but you might have it in a different place. I'm not sure if it's randomly generated, but anyway, when you go in and talk to this lady,
Why, hello, darling. We can make you think. Or perhaps.
you'll be able to pay 700 credits to
Wonderful.
basically change your character's look.
Sure.
And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.